Hi everyone! So I received a package from onedaysavings.com and I do have a coupon code with them. It is Vagabond05 off, but it is upper lowercase sensitive, so I will leave the coupon code in the description box so you guys can go check out their website, and if you order, go ahead and use my coupon code to save 5% off of your order. And if you do ever want to order, I always have the link to their website and the coupon code in the description box as well on all of my videos. So I have a haul here from them. They reached out to me, asked if I wanted to work with them. Of course, I said yes. I've been working with them for quite some time now. So let me just show you what we have here. I saw this little Nomi homie and I was like, I need that. It is so America, USA, patriotic. I think it's gorgeous. And it is a little book, which I thought was really fun and nice to go ahead and use. So I like that it came in this pouch too. I really, really like that. So here is the book. So you're going to go ahead and these are Rhinestone, which are my favorite gel bits, as you guys know. So you take these and you're going to go ahead and lay them on here. And then the inside of this book is like a cream color. So I thought this would be a really nice art journal as well. So that is the first little item right there. And it does come with everything you need to get started. Here's your pen, here's your wax, and here's your tray. So all of that is right there included. And then the next thing I was sent was this canvas. Let me just go ahead and open it for you guys. Now this one is like a silhouette and it looks like what's her name? Mulan. So here's Mushu, here's like Mulan right here. And then down in the bottom, you have a couple little characters here as well. So here is the key that you need for your diamond drill bits. Now, these are like regular drill bits. These are not the rhinestone ones. So that's what those look like. So we have that one. And the next item we have here, this is to help organize your thread for when you're doing cross stitch. So when you are doing a pattern, you would just hang the embroidery thread off of right here, and then it is numbered 1 through 30, so that way you can keep track of which color is which. So I thought that was really nice, and I liked this like ombre color effect going on from this like blue purple down to this like pinky color. I thought this was really pretty. It was giving me kind of like a galaxy vibe, especially with the like little hints of white in there. So I thought that was really nice. I was thinking about starting to do some embroidery cross stitch stuff, so I figured this would be a nice little thing to have as well. And then the next little item here, oh my gosh, you guys know when I saw this, I had to have it. So I'm really happy that I saw it on their website. It is a tiny little canvas, but look, it is a little piggy with his blue little ribbon around his neck. I thought it was so stinking cute. It's small. It's like the size of this notebook right here. So it's not huge at all. Like here's my hand. So it is not a huge canvas. So I like the size of it. I thought it was super cute. Could definitely finish this in about an hour or so. And then here are the little drill bits right here. So there are some rhinestone ones, and then there's some white ones that look like regular little like diamond dot drill bits. So that is going to be really fun to go ahead and put together, because y'all know how much we love pigs around here. So there's that one. And I'm just kind of packing them away as I go along, because I definitely do not want to mix up any of the little drill bits as I go along. This one they sent to me, which I thought was pretty cool. It is your pin, but it comes on like a little stand. So here is the little point where you are going to dip this into the wax to go ahead and pick up some of the wax there, and then you use the wax over here to go ahead and pick up each little drill bit or each little rhinestone to place on your canvas. So I thought this was really pretty. I was happy that it was not pink and it was a purple. I think it's really, really pretty. And I love the little like shaker. You guys know how much I love a good shaker. So I love that it's a little shaker bit. And yeah, it's just a little stand. So that way it just keeps your little, you know, wax pin clean while you're just, you know, taking a little break right there. So there's that guy. And then the last item, this is an item that I picked. It is a binder. So it comes packaged in this bag right here. Oh. I just dropped it all. Of course I would. So it's to hold all your little rhinestones and get it all organized. So it already comes with all your little baggies to go ahead and use. So there's all of those right here. So what you would do is you would go ahead and put your little inserts into your binder. So we could go ahead and do that. And it comes with the stickers to label them. So here's the binder. It does come in a variety of colors. There was purple, there was pink, there was blue, there was white. I think there was green, I think there was a teal. There was a ton of different colors. So their intended purpose is to go ahead and organize your little drill bits. So you're going to go ahead and open up your binder. And then here are your little page protectors. So you're just going to go ahead and pop these on in like this. There we go. Pop these in here. Probably should have done a few at a time instead of trying to jam it all in there. Let me do that. Let me split these off. There we go. That was so much easier to get in there than trying to force them all in at one time. Let me try this side. And then what you're going to do is you are going to take those little Ziploc bags to dump out your little rhinestones in. And just keep everything all nice and organized. So you put your little drill bits in here. And then you're going to go ahead and take one of the stickers here. There's some already numbered, or you can go ahead and use the blanks to write out what they are. And then you just go ahead and slide it on into the packaging here. So it's just to organize your little drill bits. So that's what it looks like here. You just go ahead and slide this on in. So it's just for organization. I was thinking too that you can also use this kind of as like binder mail if you're into paper crafting. So you could go ahead and definitely add in, like, if you have a little embellishment and you want to send it off as binder mail, like how pretty would it be to go ahead and just slide it in and then build, you know, like binder mail, like little embellishments there. Then you could add another bow here. You can take, you know, like anything you have and just go ahead and, you know, pop it in here and make your own little like embellishment book. I think that would be really, really cute to use this binder for that as well. And I love that it's clear. So you could definitely do a whole lot with it being clear. You could have like this where you can see through and see your products in here, or you could go ahead and decorate the cover. I would probably decorate the cover because I'm just extra like that. But yeah, I'm really, really loving this little clear book right here because there's just so many different options that you can use it for. It doesn't have to be just for your diamond paintings and, you know, organizing your drill bits. I understand that that is their intention, you know, but there's just so much more that you could do with it than just organizing. Or you could even use this for stickers. That would be a good idea too. If you have some stickers that you need to organize, you could go ahead and use this binder for that as well. I'm wondering if an ATC card would fit in here as well. I'm trying to see. I don't have one on hand right here. I do have this little packet that I leave out because I just think it's gorgeous. It is Halloween, but I just think it's beautiful. So you can add, you know, your little like sequence mix in here as well. That's always another option. So yeah, I mean, just a whole bunch of different items to go ahead and use this for, you know, let your creativity run wild. So, and like it's pretty thick too, so you can go ahead and get quite a bit, you know, filled in here as well. So anyways, that's all that I got for you for right now. I will be back in a later video to show you what everything looks like when it's all completed. Y'all know I'm really excited for the little piggy and for my little Nomi homies here. So yeah, lots of good stuff. They are constantly coming out with new items. So the binder, the thread organizer, and this canvas were new items. So just definitely, you know, check out their website. You know, on my channel here, I'll definitely be sharing when I work with them and what new items they have in store for you guys. So alright, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.